Welcome to the captivating world of upcycled wall decor, where the beauty of forgotten treasures is brought to life. In an age where sustainability and creativity intertwine, this unique art form celebrates the marriage of organic and industrial elements. Here, discarded materials, once deemed useless, are transformed into stunning pieces that tell a story of ingenuity, resilience, and ecological mindfulness. As you delve into this inspiring movement, you'll discover how artists breathe new life into items like reclaimed wood, metal scraps, and natural fibers, creating art that not only decorates but also sparks conversations. This fusion of textures and forms invites us to reimagine our relationship with both nature and the man-made world, encouraging us to see potential where others see waste. Join us on this journey to explore the artistry, craftsmanship, and environmental significance behind upcycled wall decor. Let these pieces inspire you to embrace creativity and sustainability, reminding us all that beauty can indeed arise from forgotten treasures. In a world increasingly driven by fast fashion and the transient nature of consumer goods, a unique art movement has emerged that celebrates the beauty found in forgotten treasures. This trend, often referred to as upcycling, infuses new life into discarded materials, transforming them into stunning wall decor that marries organic forms with industrial elements. By embracing this philosophy, artists and crafters not only showcase their creativity, but also promote sustainability in an era where ecological consciousness is essential. The essence of upcycled wall decor lies in its foundation of reclaimed materials. Items that might typically be seen as trash, old wooden pallets, rusty metal scraps, or broken glass, become the building blocks for imaginative artwork. These materials are carefully selected for their texture and history, as each piece boasts a story that contributes to the overall narrative of the decor. The contrast between the raw, natural elements and the more polished industrial components creates a dynamic visual appeal that draws the eye and sparks curiosity. One of the most captivating aspects of this form of art is how effectively it captures the duality of nature and human ingenuity. With organic shapes, like flowing branches, leaves, or even human silhouettes, juxtaposed against the rigid forms of metal grids or geometric designs, the resultant artwork embodies the coexistence of the natural and the man-made. This duality acts as a reminder of our impact on the environment and encourages viewers to reflect on their relationship with both nature and industry. The process of creating upcycled wall decor often involves significant craftsmanship. Artists meticulously clean, shape, and assemble their materials, employing various techniques such as welding, woodworking, or painting. This hands-on approach not only fosters a deep connection to the materials, but also imparts a sense of authenticity to the finished piece. Every imperfection tells a story, and the scars left by time and neglect become integral to the final design. Color plays an important role in the aesthetics of upcycled decor. Many artists choose to retain the original hues of reclaimed materials, letting the natural patina shine through. However, some might opt to infuse vibrant colors using paint or stain, creating a bold contrast that draws even more attention to the textures involved. This interplay of colors not only enhances visual interest, but can also evoke different emotions, further deepening the viewer's engagement with the artwork. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, upcycled wall decor holds a unique appeal because of its environmental implications. By opting for reclaimed materials, artists contribute to waste reduction in landfills, encourage recycling, and highlight the importance of sustainability in art and design. This movement invites consumers to rethink their purchasing habits, making them more aware of the environmental impact of their choices. Thus, each piece of decor not only serves as a stunning visual element, but also as a conversation starter about sustainability and responsible consumerism. Furthermore, the accessibility of upcycled materials means that anyone can participate in this artistic endeavor. Workshops and classes that focus on upcycling have proliferated, allowing individuals of all skill levels to explore their creativity. Whether through guided sessions or DIY projects at home, many people find solace and satisfaction in transforming unwanted items into something beautiful. This democratization of art fosters a sense of community and shared purpose centered around creativity and sustainability. The popularity of upcycled decor has also inspired many to personalize their living spaces in unique ways. Customized pieces allow individuals to express their own stories and aesthetic preferences, making home decor a deeply personal undertaking. This personal touch is invaluable as it transforms generic living environments into spaces that resonate with individuality and character. By surrounding themselves with meaningful art, individuals cultivate a sense of belonging and comfort in their homes. Exhibitions and galleries showcasing upcycled art have begun to appear, helping to raise awareness and appreciation for this fascinating blend of organic and industrial aesthetics. These venues not only highlight the skill and vision of artists, but also serve to educate the public on the importance of sustainability in art. Through events and community engagement, these galleries spread the message that beauty and ecological responsibility can indeed coexist. Social media has played an instrumental role in the proliferation of upcycled wall decor. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are flooded with images of creative projects, allowing artists to share their work and connect with others. This digital landscape fosters inspiration and innovation, encouraging individuals to experiment with their own upcycling journeys. As users discover new techniques and ideas online, they become more inclined to explore their own creativity, further expanding the reach of this movement. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time spent exploring the world of upcycled wall decor. If you enjoyed our journey through the fusion of organic and industrial elements, we invite you to subscribe for more inspiring content. Don't forget to like and share this with friends and fellow art enthusiasts who might also appreciate the beauty of forgotten treasures. Together, let's celebrate creativity and sustainability in our everyday lives. Thank you for your support.